Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely amazing Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. This is a 2023 bike on a 23 plate with just 1,439 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and comes in the rather stunning colour scheme of black and gold, which always looks great on a motorcycle. Doesn't matter which motorcycle it is, always a great colour scheme. Petrol tank is in excellent condition, as you can see. There's no marks to the bar end or the accessory bar end mirrors. The levers are alley and they are in excellent condition as well. All the bodywork here in tip-top order, and as I said, it does look really mean in the black. No sign of any damage at all, nothing to apologise for whatsoever. Standard exhaust on this one, and that is unmarked, as you can see. Rear tyre, bags of life left in that one there. The rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches to be seen there. And the rear swinging arm in excellent condition. Öhlins semi-active suspension on this factory edition of the Tuono. There's a hugger in there as well. The camera will just focus. Single seat on this one as well, and it looks absolutely superb for it. You've got the short fly screen fitted. All the bodywork there in great condition. Öhlins, again, semi-active suspension on the front of the bike, and that's in great condition. All your rad, oil cooler, all good in there as well. And the front wheel, again, no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches. The front mudguard in excellent condition as well. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one there, as you can see. And the headlamps, no stone chips, no cracks, no damage. Likewise to the front of the fairing, all in good order. The left-hand side of the bike, again, in tip-top order here. As you can see, you've got those bar end mirrors, which look absolutely brilliant, unmarked, as are the bar ends. All the bodywork here in excellent condition, as you can see as we go down. Quick shifter, of course, traction control, anti-wheelie, slide control, all your usual stuff that you'd expect on a bike of this calibre. Front wheel on this left side, and the Öhlins suspension, again, all excellent. No sign of any marks in the petrol tank, no stone chips, no knee rubs, anything at all. All the bodywork there in superb condition. No marks on the foot peg, either rider or passenger. There's another view of that Öhlins shock. And your swinging arm, again, absolutely unmarked. Rear wheel, again, in superb condition. And the top of the bike, just like the rest of it, brilliant, to be fair. No rips or tears in the seat. Petrol tank all good. There's a colour dash. You also get cruise control on the Tuono, of course. So all in all, a fantastic bike. So if you are interested in this absolute weapon of tarmac destruction, look no further than this stunning Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at the time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this awesome Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.